said you're fasting for how many days?
We fast for Ramadan, which is 29 to 30 days from sunrise to sunset, meaning we eat and drink at night, but in the daytime we abstain from eating, drinking, and other things.
So how many times do you eat at night?
As many as you like. Some of us more than we should. But basically, at night, you nourish your body. You drink water. Personally, I'm really bad about hydration. I don't drink water. Go days without water. But in Ramadan, I'm hitting those water bottles. See, you already got the joke. So I hit that water bottle at night. I eat, I drink. And you can't eat a lot when you're fasting because your stomach shrinks. So I lose weight in Ramadan. Apparently, not enough. So what happens is you eat and drink at night as much as you need to, and then in the daytime, from sunrise to sunset, you don't eat, you don't drink, and you also stay away from bad deeds.
How is this explained? Because the body is constructed in a way that the daylight wakens all the glands.
Excellent.
So it is going against nature.
Great question.
Created by the Creator. Huh?
So
I'm just wondering.
no problem. Daylight and sunlight, it triggers and inspires the glands and your body takes energy from the sun. That is correct. That has nothing to do with eating or drinking. If you look at the top health professionals today, Google it, put it in YouTube, they will tell you that intermittent fasting is one of the best ways to make yourself lean, to drop fat, to get rid of bad antioxidants in your body, not only in Islam. But if you go to the Chinese medicine, if you go to Hindu medicine, you will find fasting as a means of cleansing the body.
Yes, but what do you mean intermittent fasting?
When you fast for more than 16 hours, meaning it's a long break of fasting. And what they teach you, eat a big dinner, go to sleep, wake up, eat something, stay hungry. And the more you move while you're fasting, the better it is for your body. They say go and work out while you're fasting, but it's a little difficult for me, but you could. So what we find in fasting is exactly what your body needs. The detox, the natural method is what we find in fasting. If you like, I can get you literature about the health benefits of fasting, and we'll continue.